Okay, here is the trigger housing for the Mossberg 702 Plinkster. Now I got this at a really good price, and I got a feeling whoever owned it before was having problems with it, because when I took it apart to clean it up, I found this. This is the original bolt buffer, and there's a big chunk of it missing on the, let's see, that would be the left side. So this was cracked. This is the factory bolt buffer, or the decelerator buffer. So I'm going to replace it with this one. This is the decelerator, graduated deceleration buffer from, and you can see it's got the Mossberg 702 Plinkster. So it fits that one. It also fits a Rossi, CBC, Magtech, Citadel. And I got it from a place called Fungula.com. They do a lot of 22 inner parts, and their logo is E Pluribus Unum, from many one. That's the logo of the United States. Many states form one union. And here is the new part. You can see it's made of a different material. This plastic is really hard. This has a little bit of give to it. So I'm going to be putting that in. Basically, it's a matter of knocking 2 pins out. Should take about 5 minutes. I'm not going to do that here, but it's one of the things I do when I buy a used gun. Try to take it apart, at least the trigger group, to take a look at it and clean it. And that's all for now. Fungula is in, I think they're in Georgia. And they deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.